room tour namin. Ay, pagpasok mo, merong ref. Merong parang dining area, upuan / tambayan something. May mga water din, good for 4. May hugasan, may lutuan, for light cooking. This one, merong plancha, may blower, may wifi, and this is the bedroom. Wow. This is so good, this is so malawak. And this will be our view. Okay, makukita siya. Pero yan, may salamin dyan. And merong CR check. CR check. Ang ganda yung CR. Shower area. Laki. So big. And balik dito. There's a TV here. This one naman, I think this is the washing area. Tapos sampayan, di ba? Laki. Ang laki niya guys. Kasi ito yung view. Ayan. May view naman actually. Okay din.